Today we will learn how to draw graphs of quadratic functions when they are written in the usual standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Consider the first example. For this case, we have a equal 1, b equal -4, and c equal -5. Now, the first step is to always check whether the parabola goes upward or downward. This depends on the value of the number in front of the x squared term, or a. If a is greater than 0, the curve opens upward, and a is less than 0, the curve opens downward. In our first example, the value of a is 1, which is greater than 0, so the graph opens upward. In the next step, we need to find the axis of symmetry, which is a vertical line that cuts the parabola into two equal sides. The formula for this line is x equal minus b over 2a. Now, when we put these values into the formula, we get 2. So, the axis of symmetry in the vertical line x equal 2. Next, we find the vertex, which is the lowermost point in a case of an upward parabola, or the topmost point in case of a downward parabola. The x-coordinate of the vertex is the same as the axis of symmetry, so that value is 2. Now we find its y-coordinate. We just put this value of x back into the function and simplify. When we do that, we get -9. So the vertex is the point 2 and -9. After this, we need to find the y-intercepts, which is the point where x is 0. So when we set x to 0 and simplify, the expression we get -5. So the y-intercept is the point 0 and -5. Finally, we need to find the x-intercepts, which are the points that we get when we put y as 0. For this, we set the entire expression equal to 0 and solve for x. This is a simple quadratic equation, and we can find the roots easily by using the quadratic formula. We get x equal -1 and x equal 5. So the x-intercepts are -1 and 0 and 5, 0. Once we have these points, we are now ready to place them on the graph. The axis of symmetry at x equals 2, or this line. Then the vertex is at 2 and -9, or here. Next, the y-intercept is at 0 and -5. And the x-intercepts are -1, 0, 5, and 0. Now, the y-intercept is 2 units to the left of the axis of symmetry. So another point 2 units to the right, which is 4 and -5, must also lie on the curve. When we connect all these points, we get a smooth parabola that opens upward.